Hey guys, well, with my recent upgrade to my original Precision Matthews, I'm moving away from the Leadshine stepper motors and I've moved over to ClearPath servos. A lot of reasons that I made the move. One, I got a good deal on some ClearPath servos. Two, it was the easiest way to transition from the original stepper motors. I could still use my same control box and move over to servos. In the last video you saw that I was doing that upgrade. Pretty satisfied with that so far. The rapids have doubled and just a lot smoother and a lot quieter with the servos. However, I still have all of these Leadshine stepper motors. They're still serviceable units, along with the International Power 500 watt 48 volt power supply. Now this is what was originally in the machine, and I had been running this since pretty much I got it going in 2016. I started on this build. I think I probably started using these around the beginning of 2017. I don't have any use for them currently, and I know that someone out there could have a use for them. So if anybody's interested in this complete setup, shoot me an email. The best offer gets it. They were working when I took them out. I've got two of the Leadshine 863 S42s. These are 595 inch 3-phase stepper motors, and one JMC 86J 12-12-6-650. It's a 920 ounce stepper motor for the Z-axis. We've got three of the Leadshine 3DM 683 drives, and of course the International Power 500 watt 48 volt power supply. All the cabling, I've got the cabling that go out with the Aviation plugs to connect to the stepper motors. All the cabling, everything's going with it. Anybody interested in this, if you're doing a conversion on a Precision Matthews and you're following along with my plans, this will be a very cheap way to get going. You can upgrade later. Rapids with these were reduced after I started running them. Originally they were about 100 inches per minute. However, I noticed during running and doing some machining, certain moves would cause them to skip steps, and I would have to reduce the rapids. So I had them set around 70 inches per minute when I removed them. So that's about what you can expect out of them. If you just want to get going cheap, this is a good way to do it. Otherwise, I don't recommend these at all. In fact, I hesitate to recommend smooth steppers. I would pretty much, at this point in my machine builds, I'm pretty much staying away from stepper motors altogether, and I'm only going to use servos. I really like the DMM servos. Those are my first choice, and that's what I'll be using on my linear rail conversion, along with my upgrade to my G0602 lathe as soon as I can get around to building the new control boxes. However, for a quick upgrade on my current system, ClearPath was a real easy swap and upgrade. So I decided to go that route. And I was trying to help someone out who just couldn't continue on with their build and needed to get rid of their servos. So, alright, anyone interested in this, shoot me an email or leave a comment and I'll try to get back with you. We'll work out the shipping once I get the address. That'll be in addition to whatever you offer for this. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and most importantly, be safe.